Alrighty, if you can hear me, this has been running for a little over an hour or so. Get some heat underneath there. Plug still ain't working. Had to pull the seat on the passenger side to get inside this box because the blower motor's in here. Well, the blower motor decided it doesn't want to run, so the part it came, something sticking in the motor, we're gonna have to hit it. It's about, I don't know, 1 below 0 out. Got down 19 last night. Did a couple other cold start videos. That one's not getting started till tomorrow sometime. Since everything was running and I tried to plug it in, I figured, well, we'll put the battery charger on it. Now, we'll see if we can actually get this old girl to start. Pushing the clutch, turn the key. And she pops. There comes oil pressure. Let out the clutch. You sit here and cavitate the oil pressure for a minute. There she goes. Good steady oil pressure. Idling about 800 RPM. Set the cruise up to 1,000. And now we'll just let this old girl sit here and warm up as we wait for air pressure. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to get air pressure starting to come up on both tanks. Yeah, there it goes. She's starting to build air pressure on both tanks. Let me step down for a second. Let's go get the digital thermometer here. Yeah, she's blowing a little bit of smoke. Gotta go pump a emergency septic here. Where did it go? Where did it go? Nope. I don't know where it went. It was here. Oh, I know where it is. It's in the potty truck. We're gonna have to go over to the potty truck. Find the digital thermometer. See if it'll even register today. Ah, there it is. Error 3. Giving me about 10 degrees above there. There we go. -9, -10, -3. Just a matter of what the sun's caught today. Tires are at 8 degrees or so. But yeah. Block heater still ain't working. Changed the plug. I think it's just, I'm gonna have to fight with it. But about an hour and a half with the heater running, and she runs good. Exhaust. Starter generator. Welder generator. And there we go. I'm going to shut this down. Trucks are running. Alrighty. Not a lot of snow this year yet. Kind of low on snow. Toodaloo.